Ankita and today I'm going to be trying clean girl aesthetic hairstyles. Say goodbye to complicated looks and hello to effortless chic. Whether you're rocking a casual day out or glamming up for a special occasion, these hairstyles will take your style game to the next level. Before we dive into the video, make sure to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and give that notification bell a little ding so that you stay updated with all our latest videos. Before I do the hairstyle, I like to apply serum as it detangles knots, adds shine and smooths out the frizz, making the hair soft and easy to style. My go-to serum nowadays is this one. It's the Tresemme Gloss Ultimate Hair Serum. What makes this serum stand out is that it combines intensive hydration, nourishment, conditioning, styling and protection all in one bottle. And it adds a whole lot of glossy shine to the hair as well. The first hairstyle is a very simple claw clip updo. For that, I'll gather all my hair and simply tie a low ponytail. Now since I have layers at the front, I will secure this with a hair tie. Wrap the ponytail till the end and then secure this with a claw clip. Once I'm done, I'll apply a hairspray to make sure that my hairstyle stays put all day long. For that, I'll be using the Tresemme Compressed Micro Mist Invisible Hold Natural Finish Hairspray. This spray is fast drying, prevents humidity from creating havoc in the form of frizz. Now the second hairstyle is a polished low ponytail. To get that polished look, I'll first apply a hair serum and set all the flyaways. Now I'll just comb all my hair back and tie a low ponytail. Now I'll tie a simple 3-strand braid to give that polished look. Once done, secure the end with a hair tie. Now I'll set these baby hair that you can see coming out with a U-pin. For final touch-ups, I'll just apply some hairspray on the comb and tame all the flyaways. Lastly, I am creating a sleek bun with a center part. For that, I'll take a tail comb and create a center part. Now I'll take out a few tendrils from both the sides to frame my face. Gather rest of your hair and tie a low ponytail. Make sure it's neat as you are looking for a sleek look. Now secure this ponytail with a hair tie. Now I'll gently wrap this ponytail around the base until it becomes a bun. Now secure this with a hair tie. Now since we are looking for a sleek bun, for all the hair that's popping out, I'll just secure that with a U-pin. Now to make sure this bun stays in place, I'll set this with a hairspray. guys, I hope you like these easy and simple clean girl aesthetic hairstyles. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Also, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye!